How to make images move in CapCut. So if you want to make images move in CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, now you need to go with the Create Project option and go with Import. And you just need to simply select the videos or images in which you would like to move. So I'm choosing images right now. So for example, I'm choosing 2 to 3 images. Now, if you want to move the image, like if you want to zoom in or zoom out the image, then first select the image. So I'm choosing this image. Once you've chosen the image, now what you need to do is just go with the first part. And once you're under the first part, you just need to simply select the video or image. Once you've selected, now go with the upper right, and here under scale, you need to enlarge the scale and go with a keyframe. Once you've added the keyframe, now go with the last part of the video and select the video again or the image and decrease the scale and add a keyframe. Once you've added the keyframe, now if you play the video, then your video looks like this, right? And if you want to make more smooth animation, then what you need to do is just right click on it and then go with show variable speed animation. And here you can enlarge it. And here you will have an option of auto curve. Go with auto curve. First select the first keyframe. Once you've selected the keyframe right here, you just need to simply go with the auto curve and then select the second keyframe or the last keyframe and then again go with the auto curve. Once you go with auto curve, now you'll have a smooth animation. Once you've done with that, now you can right click on it again and then go with hide it, and you can play the video and you'll be able to have the images move in your CapCut. Or if you want to go with the next interface, which is the second one, so I'll again choose the same video. You can drag and drop that. Now what you need to do is just enlarge it, and I'll move this image from left to right. So just select the left part at first and then go with position, and under position you need to add a keyframe. Go with keyframe and now go with the second part or the middle part and adjust the video to the middle and add a keyframe, and then go with the last part and move your image to the right side. Now if you play your video, you can see you will have this kind of interface. So if you play it, you'll make your image move from left to right. So that's how you can make your images move in your CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.